Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J, and if you're into home decor, lifestyle, DIYs, please consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, hello, how are you guys doing? So before we get started, I want to tell you guys about this amazing company called Mejosi, and they specialize in press-on nails. And thank you, Mejosi, for sponsoring this portion of the video. You guys, they reached out to me and sent over some press-on nails, and they are amazing. I know with everything going on, a lot of us aren't really going into the salons. Not only that, I know the salons are closed in some places, and for me, it's really important for me to have my nails done. I'm on camera, I'm showing products. So I'm just so happy that there's a company out there that actually specializes in press-on nails that actually look real and fits my aesthetic. They come in a cute little box like this. This one is called God Love. I just love how they have several different styles. I'm not the one to really be, so in your face with my nails. So I love how they have a variety of shapes, colors, but still very neutral. Mejosi's nails are easy to apply. They're waterproof. They're non-toxic, which is good. We don't want toxic in our life. That's really, really important to me. And they last up to 14 days. So this particular set right here is called Memorable World. It's very natural looking, but also gives me a little bit of, pizzazz. This set comes with 30 nails, which is amazing. You'll be able to choose the right size for your nails. It comes with a mini file, a mani stick, glue, and adhesive tabs. I decided to use the glue, and before you get started, you definitely want to push down your cuticles with the mani stick. That will give your press-on nails the most natural look. And then you want to use the alcohol wipe, which they provide, to wipe off anything that will prevent your nails from sticking. I just added a thin layer of glue to my nail and the press-on, and just hold it for about 15 seconds and you are done. And if you don't have time to go to the salon, I recommend Mejosi because I did this in just a few minutes and look how good they look. They're also coming out with lipsticks and eyeshadow palettes soon. I did switch my set. This one is called Shiny Bunny, and these are a bit longer than the ones I was wearing in that video, and I love these. I'm all about self-care and doing things to make yourself feel better, pamper yourself, and these nails really did boost my mood. I really just felt done up. You can also DIY these and change the color. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below, and you can use my code JESSICAJ10 to receive $10 off of $30 or more. So you guys know I'm trying to furnish the rest of my house, and I'm working on my living room, but more so my bedroom right now. So we're gonna go shopping, of course, and I'm gonna take you guys. I value your opinions and you guys enjoy it too. So I'm gonna keep on bringing you guys along. We're gonna go to CB2, Crate&Barrel, West Elm, and I think that's it. So if you guys wanna come shopping with me, see what's new at these stores, then keep watching. Hey guys, I'm not gonna do much talking during this shop with me. If you see anything that catches your eye, just go ahead and jot down the name and head over to the website to get more details. Don't forget to watch until the end for the haul, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, we're back. So what did you guys think about CB2, of the items that you guys saw, Crate&Barrel and West Down? Was there anything that caught your eye or some things that you were just like, ooh, I don't know about all that? Let me know down below. So the first thing I got are these super cute tea light holders. These are called the Betty tea light holder, and they were very inexpensive. I think they were like $3.95. I did pick up 4, and I just absolutely love the way they look. I like using faux tea lights because I like having these in different places of the house, and I don't want my little ones getting into them. So I like how this kind of hides the fact that it's a faux tea light. But I just picture using these on my table when we're having some, you know, dinner, maybe having an evening backyard barbecue and having these on the table lit and just create that vibe. I love using candles, you guys. It really does cozy up your place. It's such an amazing vibe. I really encourage you guys to use candles. And if you have little ones like me, you can use faux candles, put them in something like this, and you're good to go. Next thing I got, and I don't have them here, well, I have some of them here with me. I bought these Coupe cocktail glasses about a month ago. I've used them in my live cocktail happy hour. I also used them in my styling video that I did right behind me for New Year's. And I only had 2, so I wanted to get 2 more just to make it a set of 4. I might go get a couple more, but they're so inexpensive. They are on back order, so I won't receive my other 2 until March. I love these. I love how simple they are. This one has a few water spots. I'm gonna have to get to that after this video. But I just really love these, and I'm into making cocktails right now. So when everything opens back up, I'll be able to entertain and make drinks like a pro. And the next thing I got, which was kind of weird because I wasn't looking for this. This is actually a utensil holder. And I was looking at the wrong price. I thought it was, I think, $20. I said, oh, $20? Sign me up. Ended up being more than $20. And I realized that at checkout, I'm like, you know what? I'm already here. I'll just get it. But I love the size of this. I love the contrast. This is a terracotta. So you see a little bit of that terracotta peeking through. And I think it just adds a nice little element to my kitchen. And I just love how this shines on its own in my kitchen and also goes with everything else. I also got this brass turner, and oh my gosh, you guys, this is so me. My last utensil holder was actually brass. So since I picked this one up, I knew that I was gonna miss that brass element on my countertop. So I did pick up this one. This is the only one they had in the store, but I did realize online they also have a couple of other options. So I do wanna order those just to add more brass to this, to kind of add a different element, warm it up, and just switch it up a little bit. So that is everything I got. I mainly went to CB2 to test out a chair and Crate&Barrel just to see what different accent chairs they had. And let me tell you guys, it's a little bit of a struggle to find something sculptural, beautiful, yet comfortable. That's all I'm gonna say for this video. There's more to come, you guys. So many updates coming up, so many good things happening. So please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.